Today we are here at the New Orleans Bowl STEM Fest in the Caesars Superdome, December 23rd, 2025. Okay, my name is Donald Dunbar Jr. I am the Director of Community Engagement at the New Orleans Bowl Great New Orleans Sports Foundation. This is our fourth annual STEM Fest that we have done here with STEM Nola in partnership with Chevron.
My name is Sergio. I'm a Seniors Program Coordinator at STEM Nola. We're here at the New Orleans Bowl STEM Fest, and we have stations for everyone. We have circuit stations where kids get to design their own circuits. We have chemistry stations where kids get to see exothermic experiments.
Hold up. Woo! It's an exothermic reaction, right?
And you can see we have young people learning CPR, but also behind me you see the AED trainer. I would never forget watching a football game when the guy Hamlin for the Buffalo Bills almost passed away on the field, and they brought the AED trainer out and they administered the AED machine and CPR and saved not only his life, but they saved the industry. At that point in time, those football players dropped to their knees and they prayed to two people. They prayed to God and they prayed to STEM professionals. If it wasn't for STEM professionals that night, not only would they have lost their life, we might have lost an entire industry. That's why STEM has to be the new recreation, and we got to introduce our kids to all aspects of STEM.
Yeah, so I was assigned to the excavator station today. It really encouraged robotics and motor skills from the children, and also teamwork. They had to both dig and then also dump the dirt into a dump truck, and they had to work with other children at the station. So it was a really fun time watching them enjoy themselves. An event like this would be great for the Chevron's workforce, just because bridging that gap, the younger the kids are, the earlier they start to become interested in science, technology, engineering, math is great. That's an experience that I went through. I had an extra club where I had robotics while I was in elementary school. And that's a great opportunity for them to kickstart their curiosity that can progress throughout the rest of their lives.
Yeah, this is so fun. You all should totally come next year. It's awesome.